Hello, young artists! Are you ready to create something cozy and lovely today? Today, we're drawing, painting, and coloring a delightful cradle. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, it's time to let our imagination swing. Start by sketching a horizontal bar. Followed by 4 pillars supporting it. Forming our cradle's structure. Hang the cradle gently from the bar. See it taking shape?
Cool!
To make it stand out, let's outline boldly and sharpen the details with our trusty black marker. It's about to pop off the page. Get ready to splash those vibrant colors. Show your colored pens and let's name them as we paint. Blue color. Another shade of blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Sea green color. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. Gray color. Olive green color. Bravo, little artists! You've crafted a charming cradle full of color and imagination. Keep creating and exploring, it's where magic happens. Until next time, happy drawing and stay colorful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.